What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Love. Here's a special request from Aaron and Wizard, two new subscribers to my channel. Shouts out to Wizard and shouts out to Aaron. What's good? It's your boy Kevin Love. They've been asking about this green Hoover soften light. It is a 7 amp. I got this one in 2016, like new at an AOK pawn shop for 20 bucks. I got a blue one just like it. I have a burgundy one just like it. I think I have like a gray one just like it. Hoover Soften Light Supreme. Triple filtration, 7 amp motor. There it is up close. Not a whole lot to say about it. The day I got this vacuum, I think I went to the mall that day. And then when I left the mall, I ended up going to the AOK pawn shop. And I was actually inside the pawn shop looking for a remote control to my flat screen, and I couldn't find one because I didn't have my model remote control. Instead of finding my remote control, I stumbled across this Hoover Soften Light. So I bought the Hoover Soften Light. Later on, I went down to a different Goodwill and found the remote control to my flat screen. So that was just a beautiful day. With that being said, I want you guys to know I'm not ignoring you. I'm not kicking y'all to the curb. I do see your comments. Thank you for taking time out of your day to comment and watch the videos. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. With that being said, here's the vacuum you all wanted to see. This is my beautiful Hoover Green Soften Light. And let's go ahead and get straight to it. There you go. Hoover Soften Light, I believe that one is from 1996. Anywhere from 96 to about 99. I think they was even still making soften lights in 99, 2000, 2001. So I think I'll go pull out the blue one and show you my blue one too. With that being said, it's your boy Kevin Love and I'm out. Peace.